Hello everyone and welcome back. I usually don't do home repair videos, but this washing machine's been driving me crazy. Excuse me. I've got a Whirlpool, and there's the model number right there. WTW 7500, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, it was shaking like crazy, and I couldn't get it to stop shaking, so I did everything it said on YouTube. I balanced the legs and made sure the cabinet was balanced. I even replaced the suspension rods, which are inside the machine, which I'll show you right now. Just flip the cover up. And the suspension rods are right here. They go down and they keep the machine balanced so it doesn't shake around. There's like 4 springs down there that hold the tub up. So I replaced those also. And that didn't fix the problem either. And I was getting ready to replace the hub, which is under the agitator right there. And then I thought to myself, let me look at the machine one more time. And I noticed that the drum right here was leaning to the right. So I said, well, what good does it do to have the cabinet balanced if the inner drum, which actually spins and washes the clothes, is off balance? So let me show you what I did. I got my level, and you can see it's level now. But when I actually picked this up and put the level on the drum, it was way down to the right. So basically the tub, even though I replaced the suspension springs, it was leaning way to the right-hand side. And the way I fixed that is the way we all fix things. We use a 2x4. So what I did was, I shoved a 2x4, just like that one, underneath the cabinet. And I raised the cabinet until my level was right in the middle on the tub. And then I lowered the legs on the cabinet, which I'll show you now, without breaking my fingers with this. So I brought the legs down so they actually touch the floor. And I know it's weird because this one is all the way up and this one is all the way down. So the cabinet is leaning way to the left. But like I said, it doesn't matter if your cabinet is straight if your drum is not straight, because the drum is what washes the clothes. So I leveled the drum. I dropped the legs all the way down. The back leg didn't come down long enough, so I had to put a wooden shim under there to make it hit the floor. But basically, that fixed the problem. Now, what I was thinking is I could also pull these suspension rods up and put like a gasket under there or something to make it a little bit higher. But lowering the legs on one side, even though the washing machine looks weird, tilted all the way to the left, that will work. I saw one video where a guy recommended bending the metal up on the corners, like right here. And I wouldn't recommend that. Anytime you bend metal, you weaken it. So the best thing to do is probably put a rubber shim under there, you know, make it a little bit higher so the suspension rod sits higher up. Or just do what I did and shove a 2x4 under your machine and drop the legs down. And then, of course, when you're done, remove the 2x4 and make sure the machine doesn't shake. Anyways, that is how I fixed my washing machine from shaking during the spin cycle. Haven't seen anybody else use this trick before, so I hope it helps somebody in the future. Until then, y'all take care. Bye-bye.